Assalamu alaikum students, I am Ms. Azma Zahra, your social studies teacher. Today we are going to learn the topic resources of Pakistan, which is a geography topic. So let's start the topic. Before starting the topic, I want to explain the term resources. What are resources? Actually, resources are defined as a mean of meeting a need, particularly an economic or social need of the people. The term usually refers to natural resources like land, water, air. There are two types of natural resources: natural resources and human resources. So, what are natural resources? Natural resources can be described as renewable and or non-renewable resources which we can get from the land, from the nature. These resources are raw materials and land. There are further two types of natural resources: renewable and non-renewable. Apart from natural resources, the term resources can include human resources such as labor and skills, machinery and financial capital. So, we will learn about natural resources further. Types of natural resources. There are two types of natural resources: renewable resources. Renewable resources are the resources which can be reused or recycled. These renewable resources can be used continuously, or we can say they can use more than once. Continuous renewable resources can be continuous, so that they can be used over and over again. For example, water, sunlight, wind power, tidal power, geothermic. These are all renewable resources. On the other hand, non-renewable resources, the resources which can be used only once, they are not supposed to use once again. When we have utilized them, only we can use only once. So these are non-renewable resources. For example, fossil fuels, coal, oil and natural gas, these are non-renewable resources. Burning of fossil fuel release greenhouse gases into our atmosphere. These are harmful for us as well. There are some pictures of renewable and non-renewable resources. You can see solar light, solar energy, biomass energy which we can get from plants, decay plants, wind power, wind energy, geothermal energy or hydropower energy. These are renewable resources. These are renewable energy resources which can be used more than once. Non-renewable resources, for example, fossil fuel, oil, coal, nuclear power, as well as petroleum. These all are non-renewable resources. Now let's watch a video to have further details or to have more clarification of the topic.
Renewable and non-renewable energy resources. Non-renewable energy resources are those resources that are found on the planet Earth that either can't be recreated or takes millions of years to be replenished. A good example of non-renewable energy resources are fossil fuels such as oil, coal, and natural gas. And on the other hand, we have renewable energy resources. And renewable energy resources are resources that can be replenished by the environment over a relatively short period of time. So basically, it is an energy resource that will not run out. The 5 major renewable energy resources are solar, wind, water, biomass, and geothermal energy.
Importance of resources for the development of a country. Natural resources are very important for the development of a country, both renewable and non-renewable resources. These resources can be provide raw material for the industry, as well as these are the natural capital out of which other forms of capital are made. They contribute toward fiscal revenue, income, and poverty reduction. Now, task to do. You have to make a flow chart for resources and its type, and then you have to discuss the importance of resources for the development of a country. These are two tasks. You have two tasks to do in your PST copies.